We're going to write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. In the first example, you see we have the slope, which goes in the equation for m, but we don't have the y-intercept. We have a point. We can substitute a point in for x and y. When a point is on a line, it satisfies the equation. So we have 2 equals negative 1/3 times negative 3 plus b. 2 equals 1 plus b. To subtract 1 would equal the y-intercept. 1 is the y-intercept. So now we can substitute this in the equation. Our equation for the line that passes through the point negative 3 and 2 with a slope of negative 1/3 is y equals negative 1/3 x plus 1. If you wish, you could pause the clip and try example 2 on your own. I'm going to do the solution here. We have a slope, again, of negative 1, but we don't know what the y-intercept is. We can substitute 5 and 3 in for x and y. Negative 3 equals negative 5 plus b. Negative 3 plus 5 would equal b. 2 is the y-intercept. So when we rewrite the equation in slope-intercept form, y will equal negative x plus 2. We have another example, example 3 here, which is a little different. We're not giving the slope or the y-intercept, but we can find it when we're given 2 points using the slope formula. We'll call the first point x1, y1, and the next point x2, y2. And remember, slope will equal y2 subtract y1 over x2 subtract x1. This gives us 1/7, a positive slope. So when we write the equation, y equals 1/7 x plus b. We have 2 points that we can substitute in for x and y. You only have to choose one. I'm going to choose 3 and negative 1. That will give us negative 1 will equal 1/7 x plus b. 1/7 times 3 plus b, which will give us negative 1 equals 3/7 plus b. b will equal negative 10/7. When we write the equation, now we have y equals 1/7 x subtract 10/7. The next example, example 4, is a little bit different. It passes through a point, and it is perpendicular to the equation of this line. If a line is perpendicular to another line, then the slopes are opposite reciprocals. So the slope of our line will be negative 8. Y equals negative 8x plus b. We don't have the y-intercept again, and we can substitute this point in for x and y in the equation to solve for b. 3 will equal negative 8 times negative 1 plus b. 3 equals 8 plus b. 3 subtract 8 will equal our y-intercept, and our y-intercept is negative 5. That gives our equation to be y equals negative 8x subtract 5. There's another example down just below it here where the line is parallel. And if they're parallel, they have the same slope. You can try this one. The equation of the line should be y equals 8/5 x plus 4 when you solve.